First practical is to collect some details from your peers. Okay, so we need 4 girls and 4 boys. The details from 4 girls and from 4 boys. You
Any
can, Reena?
any age?
That's a question. At least try to collect the from adolescence. Adolescence is fine. Okay. Hmm? You, Meghna, Reina, and Sana, and one more. You can collect from Aishwarya or Elvina, like that. And then collect the details from boys also. 4 boys. You can see a table there in 335. Okay. So the name of the student, you can write Reina, gender, female, height, 157, 152 in centimeter, like that, and weight. You need to measure the chest. You need to measure your chest, and then waist. Waist is here. Okay. Where is your waist? Huh? It's below the chest, not the hip, above the hip. Huh? Rena? Any doubts? Okay. So then you need to bring the record sheets and a transparent file. Okay. No need of spiral binding. Hmm?
Record means in the other
I
side.
sent the picture in our group. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Let's have a look. And then for your next class, also bring a measuring tape. Okay. Measuring tape. It's measuring tape for our textiles and all. For measurement, we need a tape to measure, right? Measure our arms, measure our waist, chest and all. That is the measuring tape.
Oh,
Reina?
okay. I understood.
Ah.
Tomorrow, today.
No.
Uh,
Next week.
oh,
Okay. So, all the writings in rule side, okay, or the right side, writings only in the right side, and this table in the left side, okay. So, you have 8 tables. You can draw 2 tables in a single page. I'll show. So, suppose this is your record sheet. This is the right side. So, here write the aim and procedure, conclusion and all. Okay. In the left side, you can draw 2 tables. Table for Meghna and table for Reina. Okay. In the other page, in the left side, it's also in the left side, you can draw the table for other 2 girls, Sana and Aishwarya. Okay, like that. Is it clear? Reina, any doubts? Fine. That is the first practical. And the second one, that is in page number 337. So just simply copy the aim and procedure from your textbook to this record sheet. Okay. It's all there. And then the next practical, that is fine.
Aim and procedure should be written in that ruled one.
Yes.
Ruled area.
Yeah. Aim, procedure, conclusion, all the writings in the right side, and in the blank side, the drawings, tables and all. Okay. And just, okay, so the next practical, that is practical 2A. Here also you just copy the aim and method. So write the method in the left side. No, just a minute. Yeah, try to write the method in the left side. That is a table. In the table, the first question is your weight according to the standard chart? That is the first question. Just yes or no. Just mark your answer. Is it yes or a no? The standardized chart is in the page number 336. Reina? Okay. What is your weight, Reina?
And of 40, 50.
50. Meghna's it's 60. 60.
I think so. My last, when I look, I think so 60, maybe.
Do you know my weight?
60.
It's 42.
Wow.
So I'm an underweight. So just check your weight with the standardized chart and according to your height. Okay, for an example, if your height is 157 centimeter, basically your weight need to be around 57. Okay,
Not
150
feet, ma'am. Not feet. Like for the height, we should measure the feet or centimeter.
centimeter. Centimeter is fine. Okay,
Okay.
you need to calculate the BMI and all. So feet is little difficult. Huh? You can measure your height with the help of this measuring tape. Okay,
No, for me, I think so. Feet is kind of
5
easy.
feet.
Like because my grandpa's consultation room, we have that chart.
Okay.
Uh, so yeah, I used to measure from
Ah,
that.
okay. So here you need to measure it in centimeter. Hmm? Because we need to change from centimeter to meter to find the BMI and all. Okay. Hmm? That is the second practical. Any doubts in that? Next, is your BMI normal? So what do you mean by BMI? Huh? It's time now. Okay. Take the page number 343. 343 or 342. Okay. So you can see the BMI calculation there. Hmm? BMI is equal to weight in kilogram by height in meters. Reena? Okay. So BMI is equal to weight in kilogram by our height in meters. So my weight is 42 by, I think my height is 157. Okay, so 157 centimeter. You need to convert the 157 centimeter into meter. Hmm? And then that's the BMI. Hmm? Any doubts? Any doubt in BMI? For an adult, the weight, you can see an example there. For an adult with height of 180 centimeter and weight of 75 kg, our first step need to be convert the height into meters. So here, as they are 100 centimeter in a meter, we divide our figure by 100. Okay, so if my height is 157 centimeter, divide it with 100. Hmm? BMI is a calculation. Okay, so height, this is my height, what it that is 157 centimeter and my weight is 43 kg. Okay, so BMI, what is an equation for BMI, Reina?
Weight in kilograms and
So what is the
height
weight
in
here?
meter.
Here.
Uh,
Fine, 43.
43.
43 kg by then,
157 centimeters.
yeah, 157 centimeter. So read the equation, Reina. BMI equation for BMI, read.
Weight in kilograms and height in meters.
So here our height is in centimeter. We need to convert our this value into meter. Meghna, how you convert it into meter?
1.5.
Yeah, which means 157 divided by 100. Hmm? So 1.57, right? Okay. So 1 point, Virena, is it clear? Okay, so 1.57 is my height in meters. Okay, is it clear? So in equation, the weight in kilogram by our height in meter square. Okay, so 1.57 square, which means 43 divided by 1.57 into 1.57. Okay, so you get a value, that is your BMI. If it is below, look the table in 342. If the BMI, just wait. So, according to this calculation, Reina, switch on the camera. My BMI is 17.47 or 17.48. Reina, Magnus, is it clear? So, my BMI is, what is my BMI, Reina? 17 point?
48.
Okay, this is my BMI. So, refer the table in 342 and just check is it below or just check the category is it underweight, normal, overweight and obese. 17.48. Reina, check. Reina, what's your answer? Am I obese?
I don't know my height.
My case. We calculate our BMI, right? We calculate my BMI. That is 17.49. So refer the table in 342 and categorize or identify which category am I belong. Reina? Reina, what's your answer?
Ma'am, we should calculate your BMI with like
No,
underway.
I just give my BMI value. My BMI is 17.49. Which means we calculate it with the help of my height and weight. So my BMI is 17.49. Huh? Then just check my BMI, is it belong to which category? Reina? Reina, take the page number 342.
Underweight.
Yeah, underweight. Very good. It's a correct answer because it's below 18.5. So below 18.5, the BMI below 18.5 is underweight. Okay. Meghna, do you know your height in centimeter?
And it's about 179.
So first just check your height and then your weight and calculate your BMI. Okay, this is another practical. So we finish our 3 practicals. The first one, you need to collect the informations from 4 girls and 4 boys. And next, just yes or no type questions. Is your BMI normal? According to me, my BMI is not normal. And then, Reena, just check the practical 2A. Any doubts? So we finish the practical 1, 2A and
Ma'am,
2C.
what I actually mean by the BMI?
Body mass index. It's related to our nutrition parts. The full form of BMI is body mass index. We need this body mass to calculate our nutritional requirement and all. Okay. Is it clear? Any doubts, Reina? So practical 1, 2A and 3, 2C is finished. No. Take the page number 343. So here you need to measure your bust, waist and hips. Okay. Hip and waist ratio. How you find your hip and waist ratio? I just measure my measurements. Okay, I just take my measurements. So now we are going to find out hip and waist ratio. So for your next class, bring the measuring tape. Okay, or just measure your height, weight, bust, waist, hip and all. Okay, so here we are doing the waist hip ratio. Okay, so first we need our waist measurement. So according to me, my waist measurement is 26. It's 26. Okay. And my hip measurement. So the hip measurement, the round hip measurement is taken from the widest point. Okay, hip measurement is in the widest point and waist measurement is taken from the smallest point. Okay, so here my hip measurement is 33. This is my value. Okay, waist is 26 and hips is 33. So we need to find the waist hip ratio. So just divide the waist with our hips. That is 26 by 33. So it's 0.78. Hmm? Reina, any doubts? 0.78. First, you need to check your waist measurement or mark your waist measurement and then hip measurement and then divide. Okay, so you get a value. You need this value to compare whether
Ma'am,
you, yes.
ma'am, when we select jeans, no,
Ah,
we know the waist size. Is that the size of our waist?
no, no, no.
No.
Just. So how you calculate your hip and waist ratio, Meghna?
Waist by hip.
Yeah, good. So here my value is 0.78. Reina, just check, is it good, average, high, extreme or excellent? It's in table, in the page number 343.
Ma'am, what's your like?
0.78. That's my waist hip ratio. Just check, is it normal, excellent and all. It's in the page number 343, the table. Reina, any doubts?
It's I think so good.
Yeah,
It's
good. There are two values, one for male and one for female. You check the female part? So it's between 0.75 to 0.80, right? The 0.78. So my hip or waist to hip ratio is good. So check yours is good, excellent or bad. Okay, is it clear? Any doubts, Reina? Huh?
no.
Okay. Then take the page number 344. That is practical 2D. Meghna, don't label like this, okay? Practical 1, 2D. No need that headings.
So just practical.
I will inform you. Okay. So start with the aim and all. I will inform the headings. So Reina, take the page number 344. Okay. So here also you can see the aim and procedure. Just copy that part. And then there is a table, adolescent girls body sizing chart and adolescent boys body sizing chart. Okay. Your activity is that make a table of measurements of 5 friends and relate to the garments they wear and buy. Okay. So here you need the bust, waist, hip measurements of 5 friends. Okay. And then compare it with the garment size. Okay, so take the page number 339, that is practical 2B. You can see the procedure, it's in a question answer format. The first question is, do you feel you are similar to your peer group in physical development? That is the first question. So you need to answer in a sentence. Okay, is it normal when you compare your measurements with others or it's any not abnormalities, any changes? Okay. According to my case, my physical development is little slower when compared with my peer ages. Okay, so like that. And then the second question, are you comfortable in performing motor activities? as precising as your peers do. So there are some questions you need to answer the questions in sentences. That's it. Okay. Uh, then the last part, make group of 5 students each. That's need. After observing the above information, the students can hold a discussion. That's fine. So just need to write the answers for these questions. Okay, that is the practical 2B. So we covered the practical 1, 2A, B, C, and D. Meghna.
How much length should it need?
No need of lengthy ones. Just 1 or 2 sentences. That's it. Okay. I don't need a long paragraph and all. Just give the exact points there. That's it. But it's in sentence, not in a words. So just quickly go through the practicals and just ask, is there any problems or any doubts? From 3:35 to, it's a homework for you, that is 3:45. 3:35 to 3:45. Meghna, you can either write directly to your sheets, both are fine. Hmm?
Ma'am, you told that make a diet of a day.
No, that's okay. Now you just do the practical 1 and 2. Okay. After completing this work, we can move on to the other part. That is
Ma'am,
practical 3. Reina.
ma'am, like the age of menarche,
Hmm. Which means
like
your
for,
first menstruation.
I know, but like boys,
You don't need that part.
no need of that
Yeah.
age of adolescence coming.
No, no,
Oh,
no, no. You don't want to ask that question to your boys. Uh, for Reina,